Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review. This is Steve. Up next is another book from Mushroom Models Publications. This is the Republic F-105 Thunderchief by Jaroslaw Dobrzinski. Color plates by Marcelo Rubiero. This just has been released. It's an illustrated technical history of the Republic F-105 Thunderchief supersonic fighter bomber used by the United States Air Force. F-105 conducted a majority of strike bombing missions during the early years of the Vietnam War. This book details the history and development and service, as well as a technical description of special focus on avionics of this famous Cold War era fighter bomber, whose primary role was to be nuclear weapon delivery, but instead saw widespread service as conventional bomber and interdictor during the Vietnam War. Its two-seat trainer variant was converted to perform special mission suppression of enemy air defenses and proved to be highly effective in this role. After the Vietnam War, the F-105 served with the Air National Guard and Air Force Reserve units until early 1980s. This book contains rarely documented aspects of Cold War aviation history, features superb color profiles of camouflage and markings, walk-arounds, color photographs, and rare black and white archive photographs. This book also includes a very nice fold-out with 1/72 scale plans. This is book number 6136. This is part of the Yellow series of books. Let's open it up and have a quick look at some of the features within this book. First thing you see is this very nice fold-out with the scale drawings and plans. Both sides. Should be a great reference for your panel lines. Birth of the F-105. And I'll just kind of go through quickly some of the pages here. You can see some very nice profiles done up here. Thunderbirds. Southwest Asia camouflage. Some color photographs, black and white photographs. I mean, it's a large book. The photos are large. Great reference here. If you're an F-105 nut like I am, you'll love this book. The inside details. Cockpit. These are the actual photos from the flight manuals. Very nice. Loading of ordnance. So if there's that book out there that you don't have in your library, this is a must for any aircraft builder of fighters. The Republic F-105 Thunderchief by Mushroom Models Publications. I will post detailed photographs in my blog. Down below in the description I will post a link on how you can purchase this book. I would like to thank Mushroom Models Publications for sending me this review sample. I would like to thank everybody for watching my channel. If you don't subscribe, please subscribe. Stay tuned for more reviews from Mushroom Models Publications. Happy modeling, everybody.